Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your partner's WhatsApp account in your device. Let's start. Go to WhatsApp, click three dot and go to Setting. Then click the circle on the right corner of your profile. After that, you will find Add Account and click it. Then click Add Companion Device. Now, you will see a QR code generator. Now, go to the device you want to add, click the three dot on the right corner, and you see the option of Link Device. Click on it. Again, click on Link Device and put security key or password. Then you will see Scanner. Now scan the QR code of your device with it. Here you go. Subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you guys.